What's up, YouTube? It's your boy St. Lou, back at you with another video. And today, y'all, it's about that time of the year, man. About to do a little unboxing of this Galaxy Z Fold 7. I'm gonna give y'all my first impressions of it, and hopefully I like it, you know, cause I got a long story. Well, not that long, but if y'all want to stay to the end of the video and hear it about the experience I had with my last Fold and the customer service from Samsung, just stay tuned then. But until then, if y'all just want to see the unboxing, see how I react, because I know a lot of people, well, some people that see my videos be leaving comments, they like it because, you know, I keep it real and I sound like I'm real, and shit, to me, I'm real because I pay for these. So $2,000? Y'all think I'm finna tell y'all a lie? No, not really. But yeah, they got good little deals going on. You could get it for low as, man, you can get this phone for as low as like $800 if you got a decent trade in. It's gonna give you $1,000. Cause I know the Z Fold 6 they giving you $1,000 for, and the S25 Ultra they giving you $1,000 for. Then the other ones they go down from 800 to 900, stuff like that. But anyway, anywho. We about to get this thing unboxed because I done heard so much about it, and as y'all can see, it's the blue color. I guess this the color of the phone, you know, the blue phone that y'all been seeing everywhere. I was gonna get a different color, the exclusive color from Samsung, but I was like, nah, because I might not like it. And then this might be my last Fold, and I might want to keep it for a while, which that don't never work out like that because every year I gotta have the latest and greatest. But hey, whatever. So, without any further ado, let's get this thing unboxed here, and I'm gonna give y'all my first reactions. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna take this joke off the right way. I ain't gonna do no razors this year. Just gonna slide that on off. Gonna slide this side on off. Boop. All right, y'all. Here go the time, here go the time. I've been waiting for this all day, man. Had this phone, I had to get home with it. Couldn't open it, didn't want to open it. I wanted to open it with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all see my reaction. So, let's get this thing popped open here. I'm gonna slide that off nice and smooth. And would you know it? My whole top lid came off. And actually, that's a good thing, because really I didn't want to see the phone first, but yeah, that's good. So, what we got here is this came out the top. As you can see, it says Samsung, got the little cutout for the camera. And let's see what comes in here. Y'all probably already seen a million videos, but hey, I'm gonna give y'all my video. Some people like seeing my video, you know what I mean? You know, cause you know, a real person that actually bought it, you know, I wouldn't wanna watch nobody that Samsung gave it to them free either and actually make a decision if I wanna spend this type of money. I know y'all sitting and seeing me open this box up all crazy. You slide that out. And here you got your SIM injection tool, which I'm not gonna use because I'm gonna use the eSIM. You flip the top, you got the quick start guide and some other stuff. We're gonna flick it and toss it to the side like my boy Flossie say. And we got the charger cable. And once again, there's no charger in the box. Yeah, so hey. It is what it is, man. I got a million chargers, but I used to like getting chargers, you know, that way I could put one everywhere. You know, I used to have one in the bathroom, in the bedroom, in the front room, in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. And here go the thing we've been waiting on. Here goes the item, the man of the hour. Oh, man. This is it, man. How we gonna take this thing out here? Oh man, this joker sharp here, y'all. Man, look how thin that is. Oh wow, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh man, let's pop that off. Damn, ain't no satisfaction or no sticky slide off or whatever. Man, look at that joker. And from when you first open it, you get zero creasage. As you can see, ain't no crease in there from the jump. And man, this joker is thin and nice. It feels nice and sturdy. I'm gonna do the first fold. Give me a minute. Oh man, this joker nice here, man. Yeah, buddy. Let's get that first fold. Oh no. Oh man. Oh, let's pop this off right here, y'all. Man, this joker is nice. Hey, the videos don't do it no justice. I have a Samsung 25 Ultra, S25 Ultra, and this phone feels exactly like a regular phone. No lie, no exaggeration. I don't care what nobody tell you. And it actually ain't that bad to open, because I was playing with my S25 Ultra and I was trying to see how it'd feel to open something this thin. Actually, it's nice. It ain't that bad. And as you can see, once I open it, the crease is there. Well, it's not too much. Let's see if I can show that here. But no, it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. But I know it's probably gonna get worse as I open and close or whatever. But yeah, let's do the first power up. I'm not gonna do no setting up, because y'all seen all of that. I ain't gonna waste y'all time. I just want y'all to see my reactions. And when I tell you, they say it's thin, this joker is thin. Far as when it's open, but thin to be a folding phone, it is thin. It feels just like my S25 Ultra. And I think I might like this joker, man. And I'm glad I got the blue. I don't think I would have liked the mint green. I wanted the exclusive color because Samsung only had it. But yeah. If y'all on the fence about getting this, about it being like too thick or heavy, the weight is just like my S25 Ultra. It feels just like it. People say it's like a couple grams off when they weighed it, but it feels exactly like it. If you get it, you're gonna feel it. It feels exactly like it. But yeah, let me get to the story I was gonna tell y'all, man. Last year I had the Z Fold 6, this joker right here. And a couple months down the line, I had got like a dead pixel area right in the crease. Never dropped it, never mistreated the phone. I'm talking about I handled this phone with care, like, man, like a baby, like I was holding a baby in my pocket at all times. And all of a sudden, it just got them dead pixels in the middle. So I called Samsung, they say send it in, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm thinking, I'm knowing in my mind and reading the warranty that it was like a manufactured defect. So I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying? Because actually I had a Z Fold 4, did the same shit, but same stuff. It didn't do it in the middle, but it had like the dead pixel area on like the screen somewhere. And I sent that in, they sent me back another one, and it's probably because I was with T-Mobile then. T-Mobile insurance just here, take the phone, goodbye. So it wasn't really like no warranty exchange. So they gave me a new one, we whopped the bam, and I just said whatever. And now with Samsung, I sent it in the first time, they get it, and they tell me that the phone has damage, the camera lens is scratched. Now keep in mind, I had this joker with that Spigen case that covered everything on my Z Fold 6. I'm talking about hinge. I had camera lens protectors. I just popped them off when I sent it in, but I never took the screen protector off the front. So it looked a little rough because I ain't had no more screen protectors on me. So I was like, they sent my phone back and I deal with that for a minute, the little screen protector. So they say the screen was all messed up, the front screen, it had damage. So I'm like, no, it doesn't. And I was finna pay it, but they just kept on saying the damage and I just couldn't fix myself to go with that. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, nah, you ain't finna just keep on lying to my face telling me I got a scratch on my lens, man, no. I was like, just send my phone back. So they sent my phone back and I got in contact with the Better Business Bureau. They contacted Samsung. Samsung called me back like the very next day, within probably a day or two. It was the president of the company. She was like, whoop the bam, when you get your phone back in the mail, send it back to us, and we're gonna warranty repair it. But it was like gonna be like a one-time warranty repair or something, that would have been it. And I'm like, no, that ain't cool. Cause I want it to be covered at least for the year for the warranty, and then as long as I pay for Samsung Pay, then I got no problem paying a deductible. So get the phone back, I send it back in. They get the phone. Once again, they tell me they can't fix it. So I'm like, oh, here we go again. Look here, the president called me. She told me to send it back. They got in contact with her. They got in contact with her. They verified it. Next thing you know, they said, okay, we finna fix it. Time goes on. I'm talking about they had my phone like the whole December. And when I sent it back, it was in January. So they had my phone the whole December and the whole January. Well, I never seen the phone again, so I'm finna get to that. So when they got the phone back the second time, they end up saying, okay, we finna fix it, we wipe the bam. They sent me an email that said they was lacking parts or something to fix it, do my repair or whatever. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I'm steady waiting. I'm like, oh man, ooh. So they get my phone back. No. They called me a couple days later. After that, they said they was finna repair it and the parts wasn't in or whatever. I had to wait for parts. The lady told me, send her my proof of purchase. So I'm thinking like, oh Lord, here go the bull jive. So I go to Samsung shop, go to my account, screenshot the receipt, and I email it to her. She get back to me by email and tell me that they got me an offer. They had like a whole bunch of other stuff, and then it read like, we're gonna give you your full refund back. Do you accept this? Yes or no? So in my mind, I'm like, you know what? I have been having bad luck with my last two folds. Let me get about the folds, because I would have kept on getting them. I'm like, let me get about the folds. Then I get my whole 2,000 back. So I was like, cool. So that took forever. Time goes by, this goes by. Then finally one day I woke up, boom, bank account. Deposit from Samsung. I'm like, wow. They gave me the whole 19 something. It was 1,900 and something. They gave me the whole amount back. So now in my mind, I'm like, you know what? I'm finna take this, buy this S25 Ultra, straight cash, and I'm sticking with the S line from now on. So now comes July, was it July? They do the Unpack 2025 Samsung. Oh man, I seen this beauty here. And how thin it was when they put it next to the 25 Ultra. And they got the 200 megapixel Ultra camera on the back. I was like, you know what? I gotta have this. I gotta have it. They got me. I gotta have it. So here we are, another year with the Fold 7. Hopefully I don't have the same problem as the Fold 6. But yeah. If y'all stuck around to the end of this video and listened to my little rant, if y'all listen to my little rant, you know, about the little situation I had with the customer service from Samsung, which is trash. Customer service at Samsung, believe me, whenever you send a phone out for trade-in, repair, or anything, make sure you get a picture of that phone. Get a picture, every little video, every little inch of the phone. Cause believe me when I tell you this, that phone was perfect. And for them to tell me that I had damage on it hurt my soul, man. I was like, nah, don't tell me that. I couldn't go with it. Cause they tried to charge me a deductible, like, you know what I'm saying, from my Samsung Care. And they wasn't gonna honor the warranty. I was like, nah, man, nah. So with that being said, I'm back another year with a Fold, which is actually the Fold 7 in this thing. And if you're on the fence and you got it within your budget, man, the first feel of this phone, in my head, if you got it, you should go ahead and get it, man. If you got the if it's within your budget. But don't put yourself in a strain for it now. Wait till it go on sale or something if you know what I'm saying, it ain't in your budget. Or if you got a decent trade in, shoot, trade something in and here you go. But yeah, this phone is thin. I know y'all heard a lot of videos saying it's thin, but it's thin. And I know I probably said it 100 times in this video, but it's nice, real nice. So, if y'all stuck around to the end of this video, you know what I'm saying, I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, hit that like, share, subscribe, and yeah, and I got another video coming after this. I got the Watch 2, which is actually, I got the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. As you can see, I got the Ultra. I wasn't finna get no other Ultra. But yeah, stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna drop that right after this video. So yeah, this phone is nice, man. And I'm liking it. And I ain't even, matter of fact, let me turn it on. I'm liking it, I'm loving it. So far, the feel and the fit of it, it's just, I like the regular phone feel. It feels great. And I don't know why I ain't got no power here, but can I get some power? Power? Yeah, no. I don't know if the battery dead, but we're gonna get to that. I like to appreciate y'all for sticking around with me, you know what I'm saying, watching my video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed y'allself, and hopefully if y'all was on the fence about getting it and not sure the right, you know what I'm saying, people giving out the right first impressions or whatever, just know I'm real. Cause I paid my money for this stuff. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna even lie one bit. And once again, it's your boy. I appreciate you. It's your boy St. Lou, checking out with another one. And I'm out, man. Church.